In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find Celestine in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going to go ahead and start at the alien power plant right here. I actually have a base set up here for a specific reason, but start at the alien power plant. If you don't know where that is located, it's going to be located about 1,800 meters east of the life pod. So just go straight there. You will have to pass through multiple zones, including one of the fire zones, which does have a collector leviathan in it. But go ahead and start here. Once you're here, what I would recommend doing is setting up a base. And once you have the base, go ahead and set up a scanner station from within that base, and then find Celestine from within here. If you select it, it's going to show you all of the Celestine within a 300-meter radius. You can either do one on the same level, or the majority of it's going to be over here. So just simply select it. It's then going to show up on your map. As you can see, it's going to be, if I walk out here right now, located right over in that area. So go ahead and get on there, make your way over to wherever that is. The scanner station is extremely helpful, and if you don't have it yet, I recommend checking out our video on how to get the scanner station, but it's pretty much going to be located all over this wall right here. You can kind of see it as we drive up. This is what it looks like right here. Go ahead and then, of course, get out of your vehicle, and you'll notice that you can't just walk up and break this. You are going to have the sonic resonator, which once again, if you don't already have that by now, check out our video on it. You could just search up sonic resonator, just pause, but go ahead and blast this, and of course you can get yourself some of that Celestine, just like so. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.